You're there. You've reached the point where the only motor car you want is a Cadillac. Those rewards you feel in owning one. It's a car you can be proud of. We know because it's a car that we are proud of. But take away all the comfort, all the prestige, and what's left? Still, there's that pride in engineering. Cadillac is renowned for its automotive engineering. And for 1981, there's engineering excitement beneath the hood. Take a look at diesel power, for instance. It's available in most 1981 Cadillacs and standard in Seville. Diesel power is growing more and more popular every day. In the years to come, we'll probably be seeing more and more of them. Diesel-powered Cadillacs receive additional noise control insulation to help suppress the sound of diesel power. The diesel engines in 1981 incorporate a number of mechanical improvements. Modifications have been made in the engine to reduce wear and to extend recommended oil change intervals. That's for your convenience and savings. For 81, the diesel also has a modified fuel control system that helps reduce noise and smoke. Inside, an onboard computer controls the electronic climate control system. This year, it's standard in all diesel-powered Cadillacs and in all gasoline-powered Cadillacs. The operation of the system is simple. Just press a few buttons, and the system is set. Once you choose the desired temperature, the system takes over and automatically tempers the air to help keep the inside temperature to your liking. And if you want to warm up or cool down the inside temperature, another tap of the finger is all it takes. If you're interested in a gasoline engine for your 1981 Cadillac, consider the available 4.1-liter V6. It may be ordered in DeVille, Brome, El Dorado, and Seville. For 1981, this engine incorporates the advanced electronic technology of the computer command control. Its carburetor is computer controlled to help control emissions while providing performance. In the exhaust system, there's an oxygen sensor that senses the amount of oxygen present in the exhaust gases. The electronic control module interprets this data and adjusts the air-fuel mixture at the carburetor to help capitalize on every drop of gasoline while regulating emissions. DeVille's and Fleetwood Bromes equipped with a V6 gain another advantage, an automatic transmission with overdrive. At steady highway driving, the fourth or overdrive gear engages to reduce the amount of work the engine must do. The same computer that controls the air-fuel mixture of the V6 engine also tips you off on certain malfunctions in the system. Even if the problem is temporary or intermittent, the computer memorizes it and through a simple call-up procedure can inform your Cadillac dealer's service technician of the problem. This can help reduce repair time significantly and get you back on the road quickly. For an entirely new approach to electronic engine control, take a look at this. The new V8 6.4 digital fuel-injected engine. Simply stated, this new engine approach is one of the latest technological advances in engine design. A computer-controlled masterpiece. It's standard in DeVille, Fleetwood Brome, and El Dorado, and it's available in Seville at no extra cost. First off, it has digital fuel injection, one of the latest developments in metering fuel. The computer regulates the amount of fuel injected to help govern fuel use, performance, responsiveness, starting ease, and drivability. But there's more. The electronic control module determines the number of cylinders required to meet driving conditions at any given moment. Here's how it works. When it's on the road, Pushing the active cylinders button on the standard MPG Sentinel will display the number of operating cylinders. While accelerating, the engine needs power, so all 8 cylinders are activated. As the accelerator is eased off, the computer senses a decrease in power demand and deactivates 2 cylinders. So now it's operating on 6. In effect, our 6-liter V8 engine has automatically been converted to a 4.5-liter V6. At a cruising speed of 50 miles per hour, it's operating on 4 cylinders. Essentially, our 4.5-liter V6 has changed electronically and automatically to a 3-liter V4. The computer has sensed the diminished load on the engine and deactivated 2 more cylinders. The amount of time spent in the 8, 6, or 4-cylinder modes varies. It's determined by numerous factors, including engine load and personal driving habits. Let me explain how it works. While accelerating, all 8 cylinders were working, as shown here in red. Approaching cruising speed, the engine wasn't working as hard, so the microprocessor deactivated 2 cylinders by keeping the valves, intake and exhaust, closed on those cylinders. Then, cruising at 50 miles per hour, the demand on the engine was lessened further. The microprocessor sensed this immediately and deactivated 2 more cylinders. And while all that was going on, we were enjoying Cadillac's traditional ride and comfort characteristics. It's a wonderful feeling. The power is there when you need it, and you get impressive fuel economy with this engine. Ask your Cadillac sales representative for the 1981 EPA estimated miles per gallon for all of the Cadillac models. Remember, use the estimate for comparisons. The mileage you get may differ. The standard MPG Sentinel can provide other valuable information. Instantaneous miles per gallon, average miles per gallon estimates for a specific period, and it can give you an estimated fuel range, which is based on the average miles per gallon figure and the amount of fuel remaining in the tank. It's a remarkable power plant, the V864. It offers sophisticated digital fuel injection, the MPG Sentinel, computer-controlled cylinder selection, electronic climate control, and more. Onboard diagnostics. The computer constantly scrutinizes the engine's operation. Should certain problems occur, you'd know by this engine check light on your instrument panel. Then you'd go to your Cadillac dealer. With onboard diagnostics, the computer can inform the service technician of the problem quickly. With the problem pinpointed, repairs can usually be made without a long search for the faulty component. This can make servicing your Cadillac a quicker operation than ever before. To find out more, check with your Cadillac sales representative for details. And while you're at it, try out the available diesel, the available gasoline V6, or the V864 fuel-injected engine. Take a test drive. That's one sure way to find out what we mean by pride in engineering.